Today we're at the Mercer County Fairgrounds here in Celina, Ohio, to find a cryptid giant of a sculpture, literally. Let's go see if we can find him. Now, to all my non-believers out there, after years of searching, we finally have visual proof of a Sasquatch sighting here in Ohio. Also known as Bigfoot. And here he is, right here in Celina, Ohio. Right here at the entrance of the Mercer County Fairgrounds. Now, this incredible sculpture you see before you was done by the Bear Hollow Wood Carvers Company, based out of French Lick, Indiana. This is actually the second Bigfoot sculpture that this team has created. The first can be found near their headquarters in Indiana. It took 9 carvers only 5.5 days to complete this giant. He's made up of about 300 2x4s. And check out that farmall tractor in his hand. It looks like a little toy compared to the size of this incredible beast. The head alone weighs between 600 and 700 pounds. Now, I'm a pretty tall guy, standing around 6 feet tall. And old Sasquatch here, he's another 24 foot taller than that. I definitely wanted to stand in front of him so you can get a perspective of how massive this sculpture is. Just imagine if he was standing up, he'd be 60 feet tall. His foot alone here is 7 foot tall, which, if my calculations are correct, is about a size 98 shoe. It's resting on this pebble, but to me it's the size of a boulder. And as far as the other foot goes, the detail is incredible. Hard to believe they can carve such a realistic big foot with a chainsaw. So freaking amazing. I love stuff like this. Let's go take a look at the back of this Sasquatch, because it's incredible. His fur is made up of about 5,000 boards of poplar wood. And this giant is standing around 27 feet tall. And from shoulder to shoulder, he's 18 feet wide. You can tell they stained all the wood to help protect it from the Ohio weather elements. Bear Hollow started on this mighty Sasquatch back in April of 2024 during the week of the total eclipse. It says, "Smile, you're on camera." We definitely won't be messing with Sasquatch like those beef jerky commercials. Even his fingers are impressive, made from these giant tree logs. Now, whether you're a fan of giant sculptures or the Bigfoot legend like myself, this definitely is a fun stop for all ages. And best of all, it's free! They were actually running a contest to name this mighty Sasquatch, and we're lucky enough to stop by right after the big announcement. I introduce to you Nelson, The Mercer County Fairgrounds Sasquatch. His face has a little bit of a Harry and the Hendersons vibe going on up there. Now, as a bonus, thanks to the incredible generosity of the Moose Lodge, Nelson now has a brand new sidewalk with these benches. So a big shout out to them for their contribution, ensuring the community safety and accessibility. So if you're in the Celina, Ohio area, which is close to the Ohio and Indiana border, it's definitely worth paying a little visit to Nelson the Sasquatch. He's about to get a lot of traffic through here. I believe the fair starts on August 8th and runs through the 14th. So if you're in the area, like I said, stop by and pay him a visit. You don't even have to go into the fair. He's right at the front entrance here. It's definitely worth the commute to see it with your own eyes. All right, well, that's gonna do it from here in Celina, Ohio. I just want to say, until me and Bigfoot meet again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.